my name is Rania. I'm 13 years old. I'm student in grade 7 in my family. There are 5 people. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. Now we together. Wednesday, the 5th of March. 2025. Part of body. ផ្នែកនៃរាងកាយ Head ក្បាល Hair សក់ Ear ត្រចៀក Eye ភ្នែក Mouth មាត់ Nose ស្រមុក Cheek ពាល់ Chin ចង្កា
Hello, my name is Sohyang. I'm a student in grade 7. In my family, there are 10 people. When I grow up, I want to become an English teacher. I'm from Cambodia, from Kampong Thom province. Now, I like banana. I don't like chicken. Now we together. Please. Wednesday. The 5th of March. 2025. My home. ផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ Let's start. Let's learn. យើងរៀន Be practice the sentences. ចូលអនុវត្តប្រយោគ There is a chicken in
kitchen
in my home.
House.
In my house. There is a kitchen in my house. មានចង្ក្រានបាយមួយនៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ There is a bathroom in my house. There is a bathroom in my house. មានបន្ទប់ទឹកមួយនៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ There are 2 living room in my house. There are 2 living rooms in my house. មានបន្ទប់ទទួលភ្ញៀវ2នៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ There are 4 bedroom in my house. There are 4 bedroom in my house. មានបន្ទប់គេង 4 នៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំ There are 6 bedroom in his house. There are 6 bedroom in his house. មានបន្ទប់ដេក 6 នៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់គាត់ There are 7 There are 7 bathroom in her house. There are 7 bathroom in her house. មានបន្ទប់ទឹក 7 នៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់នាង There is a
basement
in Srainit house.
Srainit's house.
There is a basement in Srainit house. មានបន្ទប់ដាក់អីវ៉ាន់ បានមួយនៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ស្រីនេះមានបានមកដាក់អីវ៉ាន់មួយនៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ស្រីនេះ There are
Five.
There are 5 bedrooms in Sotli house.
Sokli's house.
There are 5 bedrooms in Sotli's house. មានបន្ទប់គេងចំនួន5នៅក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់សូលីមានបន្ទប់គេងចំ